Your due date has come and gone, and you're still pregnant. Should you let nature take its course, or should you take matters into your own hands and try some DIY labor induction techniques at home? You'll find dozens online. Some are old wives' tales, some come from mom influencers, and pretty much none are backed by science. Still, if you're done being pregnant by 40 weeks, and who isn't, you might want to give these a try. First, try a date, the kind you eat. There's some evidence suggesting that regularly eating dates late in pregnancy may help expedite delivery. Skip the dates if you have gestational diabetes, though. A different kind of date may also help, the hot kind. Since sperm contain a substance called prostaglandins, sex may help get the labor party started. This is especially true if you reach orgasm, which releases oxytocin and may trigger contractions. Like I always say, if it works, great. If it doesn't work, still great. Or try a PG workout, like a walk in the park or bouncing on a birthing ball, to help ease your baby into your pelvis. What about raspberry leaf or chamomile tea for two, both long believed to brew up labor? Ask your provider first, and definitely take a hard pass on the castor oil, which can result in strong and painful contractions, but also strong and painful diarrhea. Some suggest eating pineapple, but while there's no harm in trying, there's no evidence that pineapple or hot sauce or certain salads or pizzas will serve up labor. Remember, your pregnancy will not last forever, even if it currently feels like it will. Labor will happen, eventually.